You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4.
Okay, welcome back to math class. And today we're going to learn how to tell time, how to read a clock. Okay, there's going to be a lot of this. So the faster you learn this, the happier the both of us will be. Okay, so before we get to learning that, take out today's math paper, which is on page 7 and 8. Looks like this. Here we go. Looks like that. Here's the 7 down here. Okay. We'll start up here at the top. Now yesterday we learned about pennies, about centavos, American centavos. So here, remember, each of these is 1 centavo. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 centavos up here. Do you see an 8 over here? Well, you should. It's right down here. So draw a line, escribe una línea, from here down to the 8. How many centavos do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see a 5 over here? Well, draw a line from this to the 5. And how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3. Draw a line from that to the 3. All right. Next comes some more counting. We start here with 64. What number comes next? Well, what number comes after 4? What number comes after 4? 5. So what comes after 64? Después de 64. 65. 65. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 70. Okay, so just finish up that. Next, we have these numbers again, and last time I messed up. Last time I told you to do the wrong thing. This time I'm telling you to do the right thing. It says circle the number that is greater, the number that is el más grande, el número que es más grande. Okay, so here we have 92 and 26. Which number is el más grande? The 92, of course. The 92. So circle it. Here we have a 50, a 50, and a 30. A 30. Which one is bigger? Which one is el más grande? The 50. Okay? And then do the same thing with all of these. Here we have some more summas. 2 plus 1 is... 1 plus 2 is... 1 plus 1 is... Okay? And then we have some American dollar bills. Remember, that is the same as that. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 there. Okay. On this side, page 8. Okay, we have 73, 73. What number becomes before 73? Antes de 73. Well, what number comes before 3? Antes de 3? 2. So the answer is 72. 72. What number comes after 73? Después de 73. 74. 74. So you want 72, 73, 74. 72, 73, 74. How about right here? Right here we have 56. What number comes before 56? Antes de 56. 55. 55, 56, 57. That's right. Okay, and the same thing here. You should be able to figure that out all by yourself. Here, we have some more sumas. And you should know how to do these by now. So I'm not going to spend too much time worrying about that. Here we have 4 plus 0 is 4. Que fácil. Okay? Do the same thing with all of these. Now, here's the new stuff for today. This and this. We have some new stuff on both of this. So we'll start with this. Okay? Here I have a clock. A reloj. What time is it? Would you like to know what time it is? It's 3 o'clock. Now, how do I know that? Well, on a reloj, you have 3 things to worry about. You have the números, and you have the manos. This mano and this mano. Today, we're just going to worry about this mano, el mano pequeño, the small hand. Okay? We're going to forget this one. This one is not going to be important today. And not going to be important for a while. But for the next few weeks, all the clocks you are going to see, this hand, the mano grande, the big hand, will always be pointed up. Okay? We're not going to worry about this hand. I don't know if you can tell, but we'll just put these hands together here real quick, and you see that this hand is bigger than this hand. Okay? We're not going to worry about the big hand today. We're going to worry about the small hand. The small hand is the hour hand. El mano de las horas. Okay, el mano de las horas. And this tells us what hour it is. So it's pointing to the 3. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Son las 3. If it's pointing here, what time is it? Pointing at the 10. Son las 10. Okay. If it's pointing down here, what time is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that number is gone from this clock, but you know what should go there, right? What number is después de 5? After it comes to 5? It's 6. Son las 6. And if it's up here, what time is it? Son las 12. Okay? Here es la 1. Son las 2. Son las 3. And if you're still wondering about this, I have a little video for you that you can watch. It goes like this.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're gonna around the clock. We're gonna around the clock. We're gonna around the clock. We're gonna. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna around the clock. We're gonna around the clock. We're gonna around the clock. We're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're gonna
was from when I was a kid. All right. You should be able to have to learn this with no problem. Okay. And then finally on that page, we have, actually, no, I got a little ahead of myself. Let's take a look at this. So here, we have our hands pointing toward the tres. So what time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Son las tres. Here, it's pointing to the cinco. So what time is it? It's 5 o'clock. Here it's pointing toward the nueve, the 9. So what time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Son las nueve. And here it's pointing to the 1. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. Okay? So write those numbers down just the way you saw them at the bottom of your screen. Okay? And again, if you don't understand this, don't worry. We're going to learn more about this. Now we're going to go on to this real quick. So remember, this is $1. $1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. So which is, take a look. We have 2 4s. We have a 4 here and a 4 here. So which is it? Which 4 is it? See this little essay here with a line through it? Whenever you see that, it means dólares. Whenever you see this here, that little C, a C, means centavos. Okay? So, are these dólares or centavos? They're dólares. So, draw a line from here down to the 4. $4. And draw a line from these 4 centavos, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the centavos. Okay? And then you can figure out what to do with this, right? Don't forget, if I'm going too fast for you, you can always stop and rewind this. Go back a little bit on this video. Okay? You watch this as many times as you want to. That's what it's there for, to help you learn. Okay? That's it for today's video. Let's put that away and move on to something else.